The GCSE maths exams start this week, and if exact trig values comes up, it is guaranteed to be in paper 1 in your non-calculator paper. So to learn our exact trig values of 30, 60 and 45 degrees, we're going to use just 2 triangles. The first triangle is this one here, which is an equilateral triangle where the sides are all equal to 2. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take this equilateral triangle and we are going to split it in half down the middle, so down here. What I've now created is a right angle triangle here. My side that was equal to 2 just here is now equal to 1, and my angle up here that was equal to 60 degrees is now equal to 30 degrees because I've split it in half. This side here is going to be equal to √3, and I can calculate that using Pythagoras' theorem. Now I can use this right angle triangle that I've got here to calculate the exact trig values of 30 and 60 degrees. I'm going to use this along with SOHCAHTOA. So let's say we want to calculate sine of 60 degrees. Now we know that sine is equal to the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So I'm going to go to my 60 degree angle. I'm going to find the side that's opposite that, which is √3. My hypotenuse is 2, and so sine 60 is equal to √3 divided by 2. I can also use this triangle to work out my exact trig values of 30 degrees. So if we wanted to calculate, say, tan of 30 degrees, then again, I'm going to go to my 30 degree angle. I know that tan is the opposite divided by the adjacent. Now, opposite to this 30 degree angle is this side here, which is 1. The adjacent to this 30 degree angle is this side here, which is √3. And so tan 30 would be equal to 1 over the square root of 3. Now let's move over to the other triangle, which gives us our values of 45 degrees. So my other triangle is a right-angled isosceles triangle, and the 2 equal sides are both equal to 1. So again, using Pythagoras, I can calculate that this side here, the hypotenuse, is equal to the square root of 2. Now let's say we wanted to calculate cos of 45 degrees. Now we know from SOHCAHTOA that cos is equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Now if we go to one of our 2 45 degree angles, let's go to this one, then adjacent to this, next to this is our side here, which is 1, and the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle, is √2, and so we know that cos of 45 degrees is equal to 1 over the square root of 2. And I can use these 2 triangles to calculate any of the exact trig values for 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 45 degrees.